In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam language settings. If your Steam interface suddenly switched languages or you just prefer using a different one, this quick walkthrough will get you back on track. We'll adjust the language for the Steam client itself, which controls menus, buttons, and pop-ups across the app. Make sure the Steam desktop app is open. The process is the same on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, though some labels may vary slightly. Start by looking to the very top left corner of the Steam window. You'll see the word Steam in the menu bar, right next to options like View, Friends, Go Games, and Help. Click the Steam name to open a small drop-down menu. This is where Steam keeps its core app controls and preferences. From that drop-down, click Settings. On Mac OS, this may appear as Preferences, but it opens the same panel. This panel is where you manage everything from downloads to notifications, and of course, interface options. Inside the Settings panel, find and click Interface. It's one of the categories listed on the left. You'll know you're in the right place when you see options related to how the client looks and behaves. In the Interface section, look for Steam Client Language. You'll see the currently selected language displayed, often inside a drop-down field. Click that current language to open the full list of available languages. This setting affects only the Steam client interface. It won't change the audio or subtitles in your individual games, which are usually controlled separately within each game's settings. Now, choose the language you want from the list. Many languages appear in their native names, which helps ensure you're picking the correct one. If your chosen language has regional variants, select the version that best fits your preference. After selecting, Steam may briefly reload parts of the interface, and in some cases, it may guide you through a quick refresh so the change fully applies. Just follow any on-screen prompts. That's it. You've adjusted the Steam client language. If things look unfamiliar after the switch, don't worry. The path you used remains the same. Open the Steam menu at the top left, go to Settings, then Interface, and use the Steam client language dropdown to change it again. Remember, this is specifically for the app's interface. If you need to change a game's language, look within that game's individual settings later. Thanks for watching. With your preferred language set, navigating Steam should feel clearer and more comfortable right away.